Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is today's quote. The only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Whether it's a workout, a run, or trying to start that new project, it might be incredible or it might not go how you want it, but at least you tried doing something and you made some sort of progress. If you didn't do anything at all, now that's the bad one. Not even attempting to make anything happen is where the time was really wasted. And the reason it's wasted? Well, because you didn't even try and make anything happen. Stop wasting time before the time runs away from you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.